What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install one of these ram air intake snorkels for your Focus ST. Now the hard part of this process has already been done on my car. As you can see, the bumper is off. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'm going to link a very thorough video on how to do that down in the description. It really doesn't actually take as long as it would seem. I would say it took me about 30 to 45 minutes to get it off. So let's get started putting on this ram air intake snorkel. This one is 3D printed. It is a design that I got off Thingiverse, and I had a friend who had a 3D printer print it for me. I'm going to link that design down in the description below so you can find this same file if you want to print one of these also. But the first step is removing this little tiny one that it comes on the car. It's just 2 clips just like this. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll see there's this little indentation. If it's not there, just twist the clip and it'll be on one of the sides. And you just take a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and just kind of twist and wiggle this middle part up until it comes all the way out like that. It won't come completely out. And then once it does that, it loosens the clip and you can get underneath it like that. And then it just pops out like that. And then you do the same for this one. And then this piece will pop right off. This is what it looks like with the stock one off. And I also made this bracket right here out of an old license plate. I just cut it and then covered it with duct tape so it's a little bit less noticeable. And this is some 3M double-sided tape that I'm going to remove, and this will stick to the snorkel. And there's one of these just right here, and I just bolted it in right there, and it's super strong. That's just because it's 3D printed and it's not from like Velocitech, which is one of the companies that makes them. So I don't know how strong it's going to be, so I'm just going to add one of these there. But now all you have to do is take the snorkel and fit it up, and then now all you need is a correct fitting bolt to go in there. If you have one of the kits bought from someone, they will probably come with bolts to put it in there, because the factory clips will not be long enough to keep it in there, and I wouldn't trust those plastic clips with all of the air that'll be coming into this. There'll probably be quite a bit of force on it unless you have a bracket like this, which I'm still gonna have the bracket. And then I'll also add these 2 bolts. I just found them in a spare parts bin, so I have no idea what size they are or anything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and screw this on and it will be finished. Here's what it looks like when it is installed. Nice and solid, it's not going anywhere. And then here is the bracket, just made out of some bent metal, and that looks loose, but there's a lip underneath there that bolt is tightened to. And then I just used double-sided tape in there, and it is super strong. So let me get this stuff out of the way, and then we can close the hood and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like there. I'm not putting my bumper on yet because I'm painting it over there, but that's pretty much what it'll look like. It looks nice. I actually painted this. That's not like 3D printed filament, that's paint. And I know the Velocitech ones are a little bit different shaped on the end. This one's kind of shaped more like the Ford Performance one. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.